Hi friends, I'm Ellen Gormley and welcome back to my channel. So today is just a quick little Tunisian embellished cross stitch video. So I was thinking about doing an advent calendar and I wanted to do like tiny little pockets or pockets sealed on three sides with a slot to insert like candy or a lip balm or something. And so I took some little Tunisian, so this is a DK weight yarn, and there's a link in the description below for the yarn. It is, let's see, it is Brava Sport Weight, okay? And I took this tiny Tunisian hook. This is a 4mm hook. And so made this tiny Tunisian simple stitch swatch. So it's just 17 stitches wide, and I'm going to fold it up like this. So it's about 2.5 inches tall here. I didn't even count the rows, but it's all Tunisian simple stitch with my tiny little hook to make a little more dense fabric. And look, it looks like Aida cloth, just like cross stitch. So after I made my little piece and I left a long tail because I'm going to sew up the edges on either side, then I took a contrasting color, in this case it's the light blue, and I just started cross stitching on it to make this little snowflake pattern. So I think that I'm going to do 25 or 24, 25 little pockets so that I can make it into a advent calendar. So this one took me about a day. So this year, if I make one per day, I'll have my advent calendar done for next year, and it'll be ready for every year after that. So my advent calendar is going to be one pocket per day for 25 days, essentially, and then I'll have it forever. So the cross stitching, so just to give you an idea, let's give you a nice close-up. So I started with the center here, so I centered it widthwise and made my stitches up. And what I did is I took my needle, my tapestry needle, and pulled it to the right of a vertical bar. So here's a vertical bar. And then pulled up the stitch, and the needle goes back down to the right of the next vertical bar at the top, right there, okay? And so to make a little, so you do a, here's, there it is. So I did all the vertical first, all of the hash marks to the right. Okay. For the entire length or height of that little center part of the snowflake. And then I went down, and I'm going to take out these stitches that I'm making right now. I just wanted to show you how I did it. So I did, if you looked at it in terms of Aida cloth, I am putting the bottom stitch through here and the upper on the right side of the next vertical bar. Okay, and then once I got all of the verticals, then I came back down the other side. So staying on the same side of the vertical bar here, so that line is still there, and crossing over to here. So then I did all of the bottom or down hash marks. I used to love cross stitch as a kid, and that was one of the main crafts I did as a child, was cross stitch, counted cross stitch. And so doing this is just kind of a nice throwback. I know that Tunisian crochet or Afghan crochet, it was very common years ago to do cross stitch over the top of Tunisian. And so I wanted to share that with you and thought this will be a great way to make a little advent calendar. And I can stuff each little pocket with a trinket or a charm or a lip balm or a piece of candy and make these little snowflake pockets. So after your embellishment is done, I'll rip this out because that's superfluous, but after the embellishment is done, then I have my nice long tail of white here, and I will seam up the edge here and here, or I will then add a red or a green if I change the colors. The other idea is that I might also, because it does curl a little bit, and I just bound off with a slip stitch, I might make the next ones this way so that the top of the pocket, so I might make it, so I might make it where my stitches, I do, instead of 17 stitches across, I'll do 35 stitches across and only make it this many rows. And then that way I can seam here and here, and this top edge is less curly. So have some fun with that, and I will see you on the next video, but please give this a like and subscribe if you don't mind, and I hope that you have a nice Thanksgiving. If you are celebrating in the United States, Thanksgiving is tomorrow, so I hope you have a great family time. Take care, everyone. Bye. So if you liked this video, here's another one that's similar that you might also enjoy. And here is the video, the last video that was uploaded in case you missed it. Everyone, please like and subscribe.